Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a tangent to a curve. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we have work out the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x squared plus 6x minus 3 at the point x values 1 and y 4. So starting with the first part of the question, we have the curve y equals, that's a quadratic function, plus 6x minus 3. In order to find the equation of the tangent at the point 1, 4, we need to find the gradient of that tangent at that point. So therefore, we are going to start with the gradient. To find the gradient, we need to find the derivative of the curve, that's at the y dx, which is also equal to our gradient m, and then differentiating that, I have that as 2x plus 6. Therefore, at the point given, the value of x at that point is y. So therefore, to find the gradient m equals 2x plus 6, I'm going to substitute x equals to 1 at that point. So therefore, my gradient m equals 2, 1, that's times 1, plus 6. That's 2 plus 6, which is 8. So the gradient of the tangent at that point is 8. Using the equation of a straight line, I'm going to use my y equals y1 equals the gradient multiplying x minus x1. I can also use y equals mx plus c. I'm going to get the same value. Substituting the point given, that's 1 and 4, and the gradient. So I'm going to substitute point 1 and 4 and the gradient m equals to 8. What I have will be my y minus, this is my x values and this is my y value, so that I have y minus 4 equals the gradient 8 in bracket x minus the x value 1. If I simplify by making y the subject of formula, I have y minus 4 equals the 8 outside the bracket, multiply all the terms within the bracket, so 8 times x, 8x, 8 times negative 1 minus 8. Therefore, my y will be, I'm going to move my negative 4 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 4. So therefore, which is 8x, negative 8 plus 4, that's minus 4. So therefore, for the first question, the equation of the tangent to the curve at that point will be my y equals 8x minus 4. Let's look at the second example, which says work out the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x cubed plus 4x squared plus x at the point negative 1 and 2. In this case, we are working with a cubic function. So like I did with my quadratic function, the first step is to find the gradient of the tangent at the point given, that's negative 1 and 2. To have that, I'm going to differentiate. I have my dy dx, which is my gradient, m equals 3x squared plus 8x plus 1. So the next step is I have my gradient. At that point, the value of x is negative 1 is given. So therefore, to find the value of my gradient, I'm going to substitute x equals negative 1. So therefore, my gradient m will be 3 times negative 1 all squared plus 8 times negative 1 plus 1. I'm going to simplify further. Negative 1 all squared, that's 1. 1 times 3, 3. 8 times negative 1, that's minus 8, plus 1. Therefore, my gradient m is equal to 3 minus 8 plus 1, it's negative 4. So using the equation of a straight line, I have that as y minus y1 equals the gradient m multiplying x minus x1. Note that we've been given a point on the line and I have my gradient, so I'm just going to substitute. So I have that as y minus, okay, I'm going to state the point I'm substituting. So I have substitute point -1 and 2 and the gradient m equals -4. I have y minus 2, that's my y1, this is my x and this is my y. So I have the gradient -4 multiplying x minus, I'm going to put that in a bracket as shown. I simplify further, that's -4 in bracket x plus 1. Therefore, if y minus 2 will be equal to, I'm going to expand the bracket on the right, that's -4x minus 4. Therefore, I'm moving my -2 to the right hand side, that's minus 4x minus 4 plus 2, which will give me -4x minus 2. So therefore, the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x cubed plus 4x squared plus x will be y equals -4x minus 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.